Hello everyone, I'm Tanku from DRTS Web Works, and today I'm going to show you the easiest way to embed any kind of document, PDF or doc Word file into your website, onto your pages, so it can be directly visible and even editable by the users or people who have access to this page. This method requires no external libraries or framework, and it's all done natively. So let's get started. I'm doing this page in particular for one of my clients. As you can see, the website is in Bulgarian language, but that's not important in this case because everything is done in the same way. So that's how we are going to implement. So both of these are PDF files, you can see. And we are going to implement a brand new Word file that is visible. For that particular reason, I'm going to use a docx file from my Google account. But for any other reason, you can do it exactly the same way with a normal PDF sharing document from your Google Docs profile. It's fairly simple. You just need the standard free Elementor. You just need to the new container, then you need to choose your container, which I'm going to do this one. Then let's say that we are going to do it in full width. Then we are going to add an element which will be HTML. Then we will add it here, and then we will write a little bit of code, but it's nothing special. So it's very, very easy. So you write iframe, then source CRS equal, we'll put two empty inverted commas. Then we'll put the width 640. Then let's put the height, which we will put as 480. And then let's put the allow, which will be set to autoplay in case you decide to put there. And that's it. It's usually automatic, but sometimes you may need to write this bit of code on your own here, because as soon as you close the tag, then it will appear on its own. But in case it doesn't, then you need to just type it literally like with a backslash iframe, and that's it. Right, and now let's copy the link and see where we are going to put it. So we have the iframe, we have the source, so obviously we're going to put it in the source in between the two inverted commas. So I'm going to go and get my lorem ipsum text, which I've prepared for this reason. I'm going to share it. Always remember to click here allow or general access to anyone with the link, otherwise nobody will be able to see it even if you upload it on the website. And then just copy link. Done. Go back, paste the link, and that's it. Now you can see it here. Obviously it's unedible at the moment, so we're going to refresh the page shortly and see what we have done so far. We're going to come out of here now. We're going to refresh the page and let's see what we have done. We did do it successfully. And there it is. Our clients, our friends, whoever we want can literally edit here in no time. They can request edit access, and as soon as you give them permission, they can write the document. They can save them from the file option, and then all this will be activated when you have the editing options. And just upload this straight onto your profile in the Google Docs profile, and then you can edit them or do whatever you want. That's all for today's video. If this tutorial helped you, please drop me a like, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon for more web development tips and techniques from DRTS Web Works. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers!